This is my review on the Unity digital multimeter. It's palm sized. It's the UT33 series, and in the box you get the operating manual as well as the unit. And I have it on off right now. I'm going to set it to show when I put these two together. Okay, so that is awesome. Zero it out. Then I'm going to take these, placing them next to the battery. It's palm size, which I really like. It fits in your hand. It also has a clip here in the back so that it can sit like this in the box. Sit upright. Make sure to read the operating manual if you've never used one before. But overall, I'd have to say this is pretty awesome. I'm excited to go and use it on my truck. Again, I'm going to set this back up. Thank you for watching my review.